There's not a minute to spare.
Okay. Interfering. Gas tank. Okay. It's a lot of parts to put together a motorcycle. A lot of parts. A lot of parts. Joe!
How you doing?
It's a lot of parts here, Joe.
Yeah. There's this.
Yeah.
Plus all that.
Yeah, I saw all that. So what was the hardest part about this job?
Coming up with the design.
The design, yeah. The design and me figuring out, yeah, after we...
I think there were 3 of them.
Yeah, we had 3 different designs before we settled on one design, which I could say you executed it pretty darn good there, young man.
It came out awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
With speakers,
Grills. I got both grills, all 4 of them I have.
2 side covers, rear fender, 2 light.
Yeah, I got the light covers. I got that, yeah.
The tank, fairing, inner, outer, glove box door, speaker grills for the inner.
Mm-hmm.
Tour pack, and the tail light.
Tail light covers. Both.
The tail light that goes on the tour pack.
Oh, yeah, I got
Brake
that.
light.
Yeah.
Does that sound like all of it?
That sounds like everything. Well, Joe, I greatly appreciate it. The
Man,
fun job.
pleasure doing business with you.
And you've got all the documentation for all the pictures you want to put out and all that for your advertising. You did
You're
sign.
gonna shoot me something when you.
Yeah, we put it together. Yeah. So you did sign it on the bike on the paint somewhere.
Yeah.
On the, okay, I'm just saying. I just make sure you got your recognition there, man. What I'm about to see or show you is something a concept that I have not seen done before to the CVO wheel. I envisioned this from the first bike over there, but I finally found someone who said, hey, let's do it. So as you see, the concept. Now, the probably reason why you haven't seen this done is because someone got to take this apart and somebody got to put it back together. And with that, it comes complications, as I just found out at the powder coater plate. These will not go back in. So now you have to clean this hole out very carefully to ensure you do not scratch the rim. Because lo and behold, you scratch this. You may not see it, but the person who owns this wheel is going to know it. Every nick and scratches. If you wipe it on your own bikes and not going to a detailer shop, you know where everything is. Hence, that's where we at. Gotta go.